So I'm back to my original composition and I want to create a new light, and we create a spotlight. It doesn't matter the intensity and the cone and cone feathering because we are going to change them and play around with them. Press OK. Got my light. Let's look at what kind of transformation we can have with the spotlight. In the transform, you have point of interest, position, orientation, and the XYZ rotation. The most interesting is the point of interest and the position. Of course, in the light option, you have intensity, cone angle, and cone feathering like we have seen. I will show the light. Press P for position, Shift A for point of interest, and Shift T for intensity. What makes this light different from the other lights is you can move the back of the light and it has a point of interest. So by pointing the point of interest to any place in your composition, this is where the light is going to cast, and this is the center of the casting. Of course, depending on the XYZ axis and where you place the back of your light. If you click on the light and you move it, you see it's moving according to the point of interest. So actually, you are spotlighting according to the point of interest. That's fine. Also, you can use the axis Y, Z, and X to move the light or the back of the light. If you click on the axis itself, the point of interest will highlight and the position, moving it will move the point of interest, just like in camera. If you press Control, moving it will not move the point of interest, but you are moving on the Y axis. What you want to do is create a composition, put a background, and create a spotlight, and start, manipulating the back and all the parameters, including the cone angle, how big or small you want it, and how to work with the cone feathering. And that is how you will learn a lot about this light. There's a lot of manipulation you can do, and actually it has to be practical. You have to make the experience. Fine. So I will see you in the next lecture where we are going to do shadows, and I hope you would have trained on the spotlight.